To create the best content, you need unique script, stunning visuals, and amazing sound. In this video, you will learn about top free AI writing tools, free AI static visual tools, free AI dynamic visual tools, and free AI audio tools. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. AI writing tools. For killer content, you need a unique idea and extraordinary writing skills. When you combine your idea with an AI tool, you end up with an incredibly attractive and converting script. Let's start with best free AI tool, Rytr. Rytr is a powerful AI writing assistant that helps you create high-quality content quickly and effortlessly. From blog posts to emails, social media posts to ad copies, song lyrics to story plot, Rytr has you covered. Let's now create a demo document in the free version of Rytr. Click on New Document and choose from over 20 voice tones to set the right mood for your content. For this demo, let's select the blog section writing use case. Enter a brief description of what you need. If SEO is a focus, input your keywords as well. Choose the number of content variants you want and click Write for me. Rytr will generate content based on your input. You can edit and format the content directly within Rytr. Use the toolbar to bold text, add links, bullet points, and more. If the output isn't satisfactory, you can regenerate the content. Once you're satisfied with the content, you can download or export it. Rytr's free plan allows you to generate up to 10,000 characters per month, which is generally sufficient for a month's worth of content creation. These are all the features available in free and premium plan. The second best AI-powered writing assistant is Writesonic. Writesonic is another efficient AI writer for a variety of content that can boost your traffic and improve your ranking by optimizing SEO of your content. Let's create a demo document by simply clicking on Get Started for free. Writesonic offers a wide range of templates for different content types. I will go with Facebook advertisement here. Enter your product features and specify targeted audience and click to generate your content. You can edit the content within the Writesonic, and you can also check the plagiarism in the free version. And once you are satisfied, download in any format. You can also measure the quality and relevance of your writing against competitor by SEO checker. Writosonic free version also fulfilled the need of ChatGPT in its own Chatosonic. Pause and compare the benefits of both free and premium version. Let's now jump on AI static visual tools. To capture your audience's attention, your content needs stunning visuals. Visuals can be static, such as eye-catching images, social media posts, thumbnails, or dynamic, such as video clips. The best AI image generation tool is Adobe Firefly. You can generate, modify, and enhance images effortlessly in Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly interface is user-friendly, designed to make your creative process smoother. In AI-powered image generation feature, you can input text prompts and explains all the elements you want in the image. Adobe Firefly will generate high-quality multiple image options based on your input. Firefly also allows you to modify and enhance generated images through its another wow feature, generative fill. For example, I want a balloon in the toddler's hand. You can further change the dimension of generated picture or add some text and also adjust the lighting, color, and composition. Once you're happy with your project, you can export it in various formats. Click on the Export button, choose your preferred format, and download your work. For more advanced features, you need to invest into the paid version. With no doubts, AI tools can help take your designs to the next level. Next comes the most popular static visual tool, Canva. You can easily modify and convert the previously generated image into a thumbnail or social media post or a blog post using Canva. Click on Templates to explore the categories. Let's, for example, create a social media content, specifically YouTube thumbnail. Choose a template you like and click on it to start editing. Upload your AI-generated picture. You can edit the text as per your requirement. You can also change the placement of elements and can also add new elements. If the background is not complementing, you can also replace that. This way you can generate a completely unique pictures. Once you are done editing, download your picture. Yes, it's that simple. Canva offers a free version with plenty of features, but if you need more advanced tools, consider upgrading to Canva Pro. If you want detailed tutorial on any of the AI tools, then please mention in the comment section below. AI not only assists you generating static images, but you can also create dynamic videos using AI tools. The first AI dynamic visual tool is InVideo. You can now generate long videos by just giving prompt to AI tools. Let's create a complete video for the YouTube thumbnail we just generated. InVideo is an online video editor that offers a wide range of features and templates to help you create stunning videos quickly and easily. You see this text bar in the dashboard. Now all you need to do is enter the prompt about your video. Our topic was how to engage kids in creative activities. The more the detail you provide, the better the video will be. Define the time of the video, explain how the intro and ending should be, highlight the feeling and tone, etc. I am creating a demo video of 1 minute for you. You can have 7 minutes, 12 minutes, even 30 minutes long videos as well. Specify your audience and choose the platform you want the video for. That's all. The video processing will take some time. Your video is ready. It's that easy. The best part is you can easily edit this AI-generated video. You can edit the script, change the media, and upload media of your choice in any part of script, and even you can edit the background music as well. After finishing the editing, regenerate the video, and once you are completely satisfied, just download your video. Let's see the result.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Too much screen time can turn your kids into tiny terrors. Frustration, tantrums, and restlessness all around. Instead of screens, hand them some paints, clay, or building blocks. Let them dig, plant, and explore. These activities build skills and strengthen bonds. Remember, it's all about balance.
Wow, impressive! InVideo also offers several advanced features. Explore these options to further enhance your videos and streamline your workflow. Another powerful AI video creation tool is Jogg AI. You can generate engaging and impactful short promotional videos for any social media platform using Jogg AI. For your demonstration, let's create a short video for Facebook and Instagram promotion of an Amazon product. All you need to do is to insert a URL of Amazon product. Let's quickly create a video for this tripod. Copy and paste the Amazon link in Jogg AI. Jogg will automatically pick product name, description, and media from Amazon. You can upload and delete additional pictures as well. Specify the video length and aspect ratio. AI will create multiple script options for you. Jogg AI will create multiple video template for you. You can also add AI avatar in the video. Preview different options and select what best suits you. Once you are satisfied with the video, simply download it. So here is our video.
Capture every moment with the versatile 62-inch sensing tripod and selfie stick. Enjoy perfect angles with 360-degree rotation and adjustable height for any shot. Compatible with all phones and cameras, it's a must-have for creators.
Isn't it amazing? This is just a short overview of Jogg AI. However, you can also explore the advanced features of Jogg by upgrading to the premium plan. Our next category is AI audio tools. Any video become unique by adding strong inspirational sounds. Now you can easily generate AI voices of your choice for free, and even can convert your own voice into multiple languages. First AI voice tool is my favorite, and I used it for the voiceover of this video and all my other videos as well, and it's ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an advanced AI-driven audio creation platform designed to help you produce professional quality audio content effortlessly. In the project editor, you can either input text-to-speech or speech-to-speech. Click on the Voice tab to browse the available voices. ElevenLabs offer a variety of voices. You can filter voices by language, gender, and style from the voice library. Test multiple voices and choose the one which best suits your requirement. Once you finalize the voice, just input your script in the text box, adjust the speed, stability, pitch, and volume of the voice, and preview your audio by clicking the play button.
Welcome back to our channel, Develop Minds.
Once you're happy with your audio, simply download it. Then comes the wow factors. You can also generate custom sound effects in ElevenLabs. For example, you want sound effect of raindrops. Generate the sound effect and check them out. Another wow feature is that you can create the dub of any video into 29 different languages for free in ElevenLabs. Just upload the file or paste the link from any platform and generate the dub of your content.
Una vez que empieces a intentarlo, experimentarás algo increíble.
Amazing! Explore limitations and features of free and premium plans of ElevenLabs. I am dropping the links of all these AI tools in the description box. Our last AI audio tool is Murf. Murf is an advanced AI voiceover platform that allows you to create realistic, high-quality voiceover for your projects with a variety of voices and customization options. To start a new voiceover project, click on Create New Project. You'll be taken to the project workspace where you can start working on your voiceover. In the project editor, you can type text that will be converted into speech or upload any script. Let's write down text for audio. You can choose the voice of your choice. Additionally, you can also edit the text, change the formatting, and even add pauses where necessary by using the toolbar above the text box. Once you're happy with your voiceover, click the Export button and download your audio.
Welcome back to our channel, Develop Minds.
Another great feature of Murf AI is that you can also convert MP3 or MP4 audio file into readable text. Here is a demonstration of it.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button.
In the free version, you can only create 2 different projects. For a professional use, I recommend using the premium plan. And there we have top free AI content creation tools. With these AI tools, you can create any sort of amazing content by just providing few commands in no time. So give it a try and let me know in the comments which tool you like the most. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.